Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we are drawing Cat Noir from Miraculous. It's going to be a super easy drawing, so come join us for the step-by-step. Alright, so let's get started with drawing Cat Noir from Miraculous. It's going to be super easy and fun. The first thing we're going to do is the bottom of his head. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a curve that looks like the letter U. So here we drew the letter U. It's a big letter U. We left some space at the bottom and on the sides. And then from here we could draw his hair. So what we're gonna do is, from this point, I'm gonna make a curve that goes up to the top of the paper. This is also where his hair is gonna start.
That's nice.
And then from here, I'm gonna make a curve that goes the opposite way, and I'm gonna connect it to this line. There we have the front part of his hair. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same design on the right side. So here I did one. This one is actually smaller than this one, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this same curve going down, and we're gonna connect it right to the side of his head. So there we have his hair, and now we could do the details of his face. So we're gonna do one more of these right in the middle, and it's gonna point to the left. So that's the little piece in the front, and then from here we could do his eye mask. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a curve going to the right and then one to the left. And then we could do the bottom where his nose is gonna be, and what we're gonna do is right in the middle, I'm gonna make something that looks like the letter V. This is where his nose is, and then we could continue the mask, and I'm gonna make a curve that goes out and connects to the side of his face. That curve kind of looks like a smiley face. And then we'll copy that same design on the left. And there we have his mask. From here we could do the details inside of his mask, which is going to be his eyes and the outline of his nose. From this point, what we're going to do is we're going to make a diagonal line that goes to the left on the right and on the right to the left. We could continue this line outside of his mask on both sides. This is going to be part of his nose. And then from here we could do his eyes. So his eyes look like an oval or something that looks like an almond. So it's like pointy at the end. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna make a curve like a rainbow on the left side. And then from these points, I'm gonna turn my paper. I'm gonna make it a little pointy, and I'm gonna make that same curve and connect it to the rainbow. There we have something that looks like an oval or an almond. And we're gonna copy that same design on the right side. There we have his eyes, and the details of his eyes is we're gonna draw his eyeballs. So we're gonna make a curve as if we're gonna draw an oval on the inside. You can imagine that it's continuing, and then we'll do the other side. We'll do the same thing on the left. And then for the details in it, we're gonna do cat eyes. So the cat eyes look like almonds as well. So it's gonna be pointy at the top and then like an oval. So we did it on the right, and now we gotta do it to the left. So there we have his eyes. We could continue and finish his nose. So this part is the mask on top of his nose, and this is outside of his nose. So what we're gonna do is right under this V we made, we're gonna make a little curve like a U. And then from this U, we'll make a hill that connects to the diagonal line. And we'll do the same thing to the left side. There we have his nose, super easy, super quick as well. And then for his smile, all we're gonna do is we're gonna do a big curve like a smiley face. We're gonna make it easy. And at the ends, we'll just make little curves. And there we have his smile. From here, guys, all we have to do is hair and then some of his body. So we could do his neck now. And right under his smile, we're gonna make 2 vertical lines. And then from these vertical lines, we stopped it at the same height. We'll make a curve that goes down like a slide, a horizontal line, and then a slide again to the bottom of the paper. We'll copy that same design on the left side. There we have his shoulders, and from here we could continue with his hair. So we're gonna make these same curves. They kind of look like leaves. We're gonna do one that goes right to the side of his face. So I'm gonna make a curve that points like this. I'll do the same thing on the left side. And then we could do the top of his hair. It looks a little funny. It looks like he's wearing earmuffs. From here, what we could do is we could make a curve as if we were gonna make a rainbow. And instead of connecting it to his head, we're gonna make a curve that goes out like a slide to a point, and this point is gonna return right back to his hair. He has a lot of these like spikes throughout his hair, and I'm gonna continue that all the way down the right side of his head. So there we did the curves for his right side of his hair. They look like points, like triangles, and then we're gonna copy that same design on the left side. So we'll copy the same thing here. So there we have his hair. I'm gonna explain it one more time to you guys. All I did was make like curves that go to a point and returned it back to his head. A curve that goes to a point and return it back, and just make little curves like that all throughout his head, because his hair sticks out like that. Whoa. So there we have his hair, and guys, we need a little bit more details and then we're done. Promise you, it's gonna be super easy. From here, we could do some of his costume, or his suit, I should say. And what we're gonna do is right in the middle of everything, right in the middle of his nose, I'm gonna come down and I'm gonna make a point. And from this point, I'm gonna do 2 diagonal lines that go to the top of his neck. And it's gonna touch his face, the bottom of his face, just like that. And I'll do the same thing on the left side. And then from these diagonal lines, what we're gonna do is right under here, we're gonna draw his little cat bell. So I'm just gonna draw one circle that's connected to this V. There we have his cat bell. Look how easy that was. And then the last thing, of course, are his cat ears. So let's do his ears real quick, and those are super easy as well. All we're gonna do is we're gonna make something that looks like a triangle point, and I'm gonna turn my paper just a little bit, and I'm gonna make a curve that goes up to a point and return that curve right back to his head. There we have one cat ear. Super easy. And then we're gonna do that same design on the left side. And there we have it, guys. There we have Cat Noir. Look how cool he looks. Hopefully you guys found it fun, and hopefully you guys found it easy. And now the coolest part, I think, is to color him in. So let's bring him to life. Use whatever crayons, markers, color pencils you have, and let's color him in. All right, guys, and here we have Cat Noir from Miraculous. Look how cool he looks. I think he looks super awesome. I wanted to show or point out some details. So like on the outsides of his hair, I did like a golden yellow, and then on the inside I did a lighter yellow just so it pops out more. Same thing for his ears. Like at the top I did a dark gray, and then on the inside I did black just so they look like they pop out and they're 3D. His eyes, I did a really bright green on the outside and then a lighter green on the inside, so they pop out as well. And those are just the little details. Like on his bell, I just did a curve like a smiley face and 2 little circles that look like an eye. It just makes things pop out more. Hopefully you guys had fun doing this. Hopefully you guys found it easy. Please stay tuned for more cool characters, more Miraculous characters, or just more characters in general. More characters for the holidays too. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys had a great time. Bye.